How to get Telegram code by email. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Telegram application. Now tap on Start Messaging. Now select your country. Now enter your phone number and tap on Next. Now go back to your home screen and open up your email. Now copy the code and tap on Paste. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.